Abusing is bad, guys.
इसकी हमें जरूरत है नहीं.
I think मुझे अपना जॉब छोड़ के full time brain rot influencer बन जाना चाहिए.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing something very special, and we also Arshia. She is my flatmate.
You guys, what's up? Hi.
तो आज हम लोग अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाले हैं जो भी हम IKEA से सामान लाए. मैंने होम सेंटर की पहले कर दी थी. Now let's see IKEA से क्या सामान लाए हैं. And it's just one round. अभी हम बहुत सारे राउंड्स आने वाले हैं वहाँ पे. So let's start. आपको कुछ कहना है?
Yeah, I think it's my pleasure to be on her channel.
Yeah.
And
We
I
only
think
have like 4 viewers, but how does it matter? दो उनमें से हम
4
दोनों ही हैं.
viewers in just 4 days. So I think it's a good start, guys. Just 4 days, guys. Let's get this started. Yes, let's
A lot to unbox. So let's
start.
What is this?
This is
our throw.
Yeah.
हमारे
sofa के
सोफा
लिए.
के लिए.
And we are keeping the theme as grey and white.
Yeah.
Something on
It
those
would
lines.
actually look good, and it's very pretty. ये warm भी है थोड़ा material.
And we have gotten this for,
I think we'll have to check it.
I think pretty cheap. Okay, here it is. Okay, not cheap. 1260 rupees only.
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 She is very rich, guys.
Corporate slavery. I'm sure with this YouTube channel we can compensate for that.
Definitely. Okay, next we have. Oh, this is my favorite. Such beautiful colors. Straw.
These are glass straws for sipping on healthy juices.
Yes. Or matcha.
Oh, sorry, yeah, I forgot. Matcha and cold coffee. Matcha paglu,
Cold
coffee
coffee
paglu.
paglu.
Yes.
This is, we have bathroom planters. It's very cute. I don't know what is this for.
Okay, this is for guys. Coffee paglu will explain this to you. This is for giving froth in the coffee.
Of course. What is this?
This is toilet. Guys, this is toilet cleaner. Okay, this is the
Most
first time.
important.
Yeah, this is the most important. We need to clean toilets.
By ourselves now.
Yes.
And this is this one I got. I think इसके साथ एक और मटेरियल लिया था मैंने.
हाँ,
फूल
correct,
लिया
correct.
था कि इसके अंदर हम फूल डाल दें और इसमें से बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आती है फिर. Once that thing is soaked.
Apparently.
Yeah. So it look very nice.
We'll just find that in the next.
This
soon.
is I think my pillow covers. मैंने
Yes.
इस कलर की एक बेडशीट ली है. So you know all aesthetic colors. गंदा कितना भी हो जाए, but should stay aesthetic.
What does this rebel kit says? Pran dry, but aesthetics not dry.
Aesthetics
Oh,
not-
God.
Okay. Mother is mothering.
Yes.
This is my bedsheet. Very cute color.
Very classy is what she means.
What is this for?
This is for, okay, so in the sink, you gotta keep it like this.
And oh, okay.
Place your-
Sabun, Vim ka dabba or sponge and everything. You keep it there.
For example,
She is so smart. She did all this. I only got all aesthetic shit. I don't
no.
even
This
know.
is the aesthetic shit approved by her. This is a sponge we have gotten in the shape of a dog or a donkey.
This is so cute.
There's
This
some-
is neither dog or donkey, I feel.
I think it's a unicorn. Yeah, I think it's a unicorn, guys. I think we can reach.
Very nice.
It's a unicorn. Yeah.
Oh, next we have
Greater.
grater.
Yay! She's figuring it out. Greater.
ये तो हमने इसका
बस।
ढक्कन
किसका? Oh shit. हाँ. Okay.
ये हम लोग ने लिया है. इसमें हम काजू, बादाम, चिया सीड्स and stuff like that.
Because we are gonna be healthy people from now on.
Yes.
No junk. I mean, okay.
And
Minimal
हम-
junk.
Yeah. What is this for?
This is okay. Okay,
I
guys.
know what
This
you're
is
talking
what you stick on the. It's a soap dish which you can easily stick it on the divar of the bathroom. You need no drills and hathoda for this.
Oh, so this is basically
With the
soap
adhesive you can
dispenser.
no. You just it's like a soap holding dish. Like
Oh.
ऐसे चिपका दो. Like this is the wall. Like stick it and you just keep it here. Yeah, that's what this is. I'm sure that.
Bro,
what
what?
this is.
This is my favorite thing. And this is so cheap.
Yeah, it was pretty cheap. Yeah, I agree.
इसमें फूल डालेंगे रोज. मुझे कोई नई फूल देगा तो मैं खुद ही फूल खरीद के इस पे डालूंगी और रोज हम इसमें फूल रिफिल करेंगे.
Yeah, I will give her food. She'll give me food because I mean.
That's how it works, guys. This is adulting. This was, I remember, 199 only.
199 only.
Yeah.
This is just the black version of the previous soap.
Bro, I don't even know कब
Yeah.
खरीदा आपने ये सब.
Just खरीद लिया.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's Okay,
that is
we-
one
okay,
more
we'll
planter
manage, we'll
bathroom
manage.
का.
This is.
Yeah, this is
yeah,
that shit I
never
was
stop
talking
the sound.
about. वो देखो
Yeah.
कहाँ है वो बड़ा सा वो है. Yeah, so we keep
For the
this
aesthetics.
पानी में डाल के and then अच्छा खुशबू आता है.
Correct.
I'm trying.
The story behind this, this is not for use for any of our friends watching this YouTube video. This is just for the aesthetics. We have separate napkins.
Yeah, you can take pictures. इसमें
Yeah.
से वो जो breakfast या lunch वाला जो भी
Correct.
होता है, you can just tell your audience के you know हम लोग इन लोगों के आ गए and this is what they
280
served and all
rupees.
of that.
No one's using this.
Yes.
Sorry guys. We got
We'll take
2
it
napkins. Yes.
What is this? Oh, this is her bathroom के लिए.
The white curtains. Gotta have some privacy in life.
So let's go. This?
Ice cube trays. Ice tray.
Nice.
Okay, that's
But
like
it's
the
so
cool ice.
cute.
Yeah. So anyone who's invited for the housewarming
nice.
party will get drinks, non-alcoholic beverages only.
Only yes. Now we have some packet लगाने के लिए clips. Very important. Okay, this is organizers.
Yeah, finally.
Organizers, something I bought that I actually remember. I am so proud of this because this is so cute. I think you found this.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So you can squeeze lemon from here, and I think
No.
yeah.
You have to put lemon here and then squeeze it, and then the juice will come here, and then
Are you sure?
yeah. This is the shape, na. For example, you put orange.
Orange.
And then you do this,
Yeah.
and the juice will come. You keep it over a glass, and this is how it works.
Whatever she's saying is right.
I know it. What is this?
Candle.
Who took this?
You. Because
I-
you no. You wanted the candle because you were like मुझे चाहिए ऐसा. I am crazy for candles.
I did not get this one. This I think you got this.
I got no candles. मुझे नहीं
No,
चाहिए. मेरी
I-
लाइफ में काफी
I
आग
got
लगी पड़ी है.
this.
मुझे और आग
I
नहीं
got
लगानी
these
है.
two. I even showed it to you, na. This one is milk something vanilla.
Guys, 1 second. If you see anything, if you see anything here that is leading to किसी का आग creation या फिर वो इसका होगा because मेरी लाइफ में वैसे ही काफी आग लगी पड़ी है. So I'm sure it's hers.
Of course.
This smells like.
It's so good. And this is the best one. I always wanted to have like little bit, what do we say, lemonish smell in my room, and this is perfect. This has like, क्या है इसके अंदर? This is very citric,
No, they haven't mentioned the contents here.
but this is very lemony.
No,
It
my
smells
favorite is
so-
still this one.
Yeah, this is very soft.
Yeah, this is soft. Yeah.
I don't know, भाई.
I don't know.
pre-made
हाँ
या
मुझे
तो
I think हाँ probably वही है. अब बिल चेक करना पड़ेगा. Oh, this is just for the aesthetics. I mean, of course काम आएगा. But what is this called?
This is called chimta.
मारना नहीं है मुझे. सही जवाब.
भाई पता नहीं इसने कहाँ से खरीदा है ये सब. So this is basically.
Why use your hands when you can use equipment, guys? Like let's just
इसके अंदर सोप डालेंगे फिर यहाँ से हम
बर्तन धोएंगे. Because यार देखना मेरे यहाँ पे cuts आ गए. मैंने 2 दिन क्या काम कर लिए. तुम देख रही हो यहाँ पे literally cuts आ गए. We can't let the
Yeah.
hands get like spoiled. So
What is this for?
oh, these are for like hanging the curtains, the curtain rings.
best thing ever. Look at the colors, it's so vibrant. Like how can you not buy this?
I agree. I think it's just like
feel
both
करने
of
का
us.
मन करेगा भाई.
Vibrant people, vibrant colors.
Yes. This is my favorite. भाई इसमें smoothie bowls कितने tasty लगे या ramen.
We can go for ramen, I think.
Yeah.
My most favorite.
I'm not using this, mom. This is not.
No,
for
this
me.
is
I might have
coffee
matcha
shots.
shots.
These are coffee shots early morning because I go for corporate slavery. So I will need.
Coffee shot.
So I'll need coffee shots in
You
this,
have?
and
How many? 8.
I'll have no. This is just in case we have guests over.
Yeah.
So I mean, for you
Guest
guys.
को भी हम coffee shots
Coffee
से
shots ही
पिलाएंगे.
पिलाएंगे, guys. This is a no non-veg, no alcohol zone.
Yes.
So yeah, welcome to the clean house.
Also, no dairy zone. Because I have.
Because this woman has lost her and she's become vegan now, so I don't know how I'm gonna survive
2-3
that.
हफ्ते से I've started avoiding dairy and it's going strong. So
And इसकी
far.
वजह से हमें एक दिन we had to like move to 7 ice cream parlors कि भैया आपके पास vegan ice cream मिलेगी क्या? Because this woman refused to eat even like a bite of the ice cream. Anything else?
That's it. I think there is one more thing we have. Do you want to show it?
No, I think we're good, guys. I think we can make a YouTube video on family drama.
Yes, for sure. So
Eventually.
much fun. I don't have any story, but
I have
you're not
episodes
ready.
and series.
The tea is gonna be.
I think we
tea.
can sell my life story to Netflix.
Yeah.
We can go
You should start a YouTube channel and series like should be episodes.
episode 1, but I think 10 episodes will release in a day, 2 in the morning. By evening, there's a new season altogether. So I think that's about it.
अभी मैंने कुछ मीशो से ऑर्डर किया है, कुछ मिंत्रा से ऑर्डर किया है, कुछ अमेजोन से, so a lot of things are coming.
Yes.
This was for IKEA and अभी हमें और वापस से जाना है. We have to buy a lot of stuff. So
She's the one who's doing all this. She's the responsible one here. I cannot. I am just like motivating myself to like just shift from 5 kilometers away to this house, like pack my stuff and move. But मुझसे वो भी नहीं हो रहा है.
अभी इनके पास बेड भी नहीं है.
So I mean, I think that's really difficult. But I have a bed.
Yeah. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and if you like such kind of pakchodi, please like,
subscribe, share, comment,
Yeah.
and give lots of love.
Yes.